I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need the highest quality source first. Go straight to your gallery or Google Photos, confirm the file size and dimensions, and download the original if it's cloud only. Once done, make sure backup is set to original quality and disable any data-saving upload options that force compression. You should also update your photo and editing apps and free at least a few hundred megabytes so edits and temporary files can save. Now open the original image in your chosen editor or upscaler to begin. Next, start improving detail using selective edits. Use sharpen and structure tools sparingly where edges matter and run noise reduction only to remove grain without smearing details. After initial cleanup, open an AI upscaler or dedicated enhancer, choose 2x or 4x upscale, and pick mild denoise and detail recovery settings. Preview each pass. Make sure to zoom and compare before and after. If needed, crop or straighten to reframe the subject. Sometimes composition fixes make low-res images look much clearer. Finish by exporting at the highest quality available and save a second uncompressed copy if your app supports PNG or TIFF. Once exported, back up that file to cloud or an SD card so you can revert if needed. Make sure to keep the original untouched. Troubleshooting tip: if the upscaler or editor fails or looks worse, check that the app has storage and file permissions, update the app, clear cache, or try a different upscaler. Sometimes alternating tools yields the best result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.